Changing bank details on Shopify. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your bank details on Shopify. First, go to Google and search for Shopify. In the results section, choose the link that says www.shopify.com. In their website, you will see an option that says Login. Tap on this option. Now log into your account and you will be redirected to their dashboard. In their dashboard, in the lower left corner, tap on the settings option and all the settings will open. From here, tap on billing and you will see billing options. From here, tap on manage and from manage, click on the option that says add payment method. From here, you can add, remove your bank details accordingly. That's all. That's how you can change your bank details on Shopify.